Top AI news this week is here, and it's packed with groundbreaking updates. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of AI as we explore a revolutionary video creation tool from Kling AI with their massive 2.0 update. We'll also uncover OpenAI's powerful new models, O3 and O4 Mini, showcasing their incredible tool-using abilities, and the mind-blowing Codex CLI bringing AI coding right to your terminal. Plus, xAI's Grok Studio is changing the game with real-time collaboration, and ByteDance Lean Seaweed 7B is proving that smaller can be mightier in video generation. Anthropic's Claude is gaining autonomous research and Google Workspace integration, while Meta Fair is pushing the boundaries of AI perception and collaboration. Midjourney's editor just got a major upgrade with layers and smart selection, and DeepLearning.AI is launching a course to build your own AI browser agents. Finally, don't miss out on Windsurf AI's limited-time free, unlimited access to GPT-4.1.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
News number 1, Kling AI Update. Phase 2.0 revolutionizes video creation. Get ready because Kling AI has just dropped a massive update with the release of Kling 2.0, and it's a game-changer for video creators. This isn't just a minor tweak. We're talking about a complete overhaul designed to empower you to bring your wildest visions to life with unprecedented ease and quality. The core of this update lies in significantly improved prompt understanding. This means you can be more nuanced and detailed in your text prompts, and Kling AI will be better equipped to interpret your creative intent, leading to more accurate and compelling initial video generations. But the innovation doesn't stop there. One of the most exciting advancements is the enhanced character motion dynamics. Forget those robotic, stilted movements we've seen in the past. Kling 2.0 introduces incredibly natural and fluid motion, making your characters feel more alive and believable. This leap in animation quality alone sets it apart. Furthermore, Kling AI is introducing a groundbreaking multi-elements editor. This feature promises to streamline the often complex process of video editing, allowing for intuitive manipulation of various elements within your generated scenes. Beyond video generation with Kling 2.0 Master, the update also brings Colors 2.0 for image generation and integrated image editing and restyle capabilities. This comprehensive suite of tools, all accessible under the Kling AI 2.0 umbrella, aims to provide creators with greater creative freedom and powerful tools to craft truly meaningful stories from vision to screen. This update is all about putting the power directly in the hands of creators like you. For the latest updates and to experience it yourself, head over to http://klingai.com. News number 2, OpenAI unveils O3 and O4 Mini, a new era of intelligent tool use. Get ready for a major leap in AI power. OpenAI has just dropped its latest brainchildren, O3 and O4 Mini, and what makes these models truly stand out is their unprecedented ability to seamlessly integrate and reason with a whole arsenal of tools right within ChatGPT. For the first time, these intelligent engines can agentically combine web searching, in-depth analysis of your uploaded files with Python, insightful interpretation of visual inputs, and even generate images, all in the pursuit of crafting detailed and thoughtful answers to your most complex questions. They're not just using tools. They're thinking strategically about when and how to deploy them to independently tackle multifaceted problems on your behalf, bringing us closer to a truly agentic AI experience. OpenAI O3 is pushing the boundaries in areas like coding, math, and visual perception, making fewer critical errors on difficult real-world tasks. Meanwhile, O4 Mini offers remarkable performance for its smaller size and cost, excelling in math, coding, and visual tasks with impressive efficiency and higher usage limits. Both models feel more natural in conversation, even remembering past interactions. This update isn't just about smarter AI, it's about empowering these models with the practical skills to solve real-world problems in a more comprehensive and independent way, setting a new standard for usefulness. News number 3, OpenAI Codex CLI. Your terminal just got a whole lot smarter. What's up, coding enthusiasts? Get ready because OpenAI has just launched something truly unique, the Codex CLI, and it's bringing the power of an AI coding agent right to your terminal. What makes this so different from other AI coding tools? Well, the Codex CLI is designed for developers who live and breathe in the terminal. It's a lightweight, open-source tool that allows you to use natural language to tell it what to build, fix, or explain, and then watch it bring your ideas to life directly within your local coding environment. This isn't just about suggesting code snippets. the Codex CLI can actually read, edit, and execute code in your repository. Imagine having ChatGPT-level reasoning combined with the ability to manipulate files and iterate on your code, all under version control. It even offers different approval modes, suggest, auto-edit, and full auto, allowing you to decide how much autonomy you want to give the agent. By default, it's powered by the O4 mini model. Plus, it's designed with security in mind, running commands in a sandbox environment. This experimental tool is all about chat-driven development that understands and executes within your existing codebase, making it a truly novel approach to AI-assisted coding. You can even contribute to its development since it's fully open source. Let's see the demo video share by OpenAI team.
So what I'm thinking is maybe I can start introducing Codex from here. Fouad, as always, is like coding away in the background, and then he can join me for the live demos. What do you think?
That sounds great.
Cool, let's do it.
Take one, Mark.
Hey everyone, I'm Romain and I work on developer experience at OpenAI. What I love most is making sure developers like you feel delighted and inspired by the tools we build. Well, today, we're excited to give you a quick look at something new we've been experimenting with, the Codex CLI. Codex is a lightweight coding agent that can run directly from your command line. It can read and edit files, it can run commands securely, and you can really use it to build features or complete apps from scratch. But enough talk. To see that in action, I'm going to bring Fouad over for some live demos. Hey.
How's it going?
Great.
Hey everyone, I'm Fouad. I'm on the agents research team, and I'm so excited to share Codex with you all.
Why don't you kick us off with maybe like a project that people might have seen before? Let's say like OpenAI.fm that we use as a quick demo app for our voice models.
Yeah, let me go and pull up the website, OpenAI.fm. I think it's an open source repo, right? So I can just go ahead and clone that locally and fire up Codex. And so here we have Codex just running on my machine. The cool part is that it runs with any of our public models. And since I'm not that familiar with the code base, I'm just going to go and start off by asking it to explain this code base to me.
And so what I'm looking at here on the screen is that you're using O3 that we just launched today.
Yeah, you can actually use anything from 4.1 from a few days ago to O3 and O4 mini today. And I think one really cool thing is as it's actually calling these tools, it's running commands, you can see it run the commands directly on your machine. So now we can see it put together this whole description. I can see that it described high level what OpenAI FM is. It shows me the code architecture, that it's an Next.js application. And finally, here's how I can actually run it. So I'm going to go ahead and run the development server. And did you have a use case in mind?
Yeah, I mean, why don't we do something simple like dark mode, for instance? Like I know developers always love dark mode, and maybe we can do something on top of that?
Sure, let me go ahead and fire up Codex. This time, I'm going to run it in full auto mode.
So what does that mean exactly, full auto?
Now it can also edit and run commands automatically.
Got it.
An important point there to make sure it still stays safe and secure is that when you run it in full auto mode, it's actually running network disabled and sandbox the directory that you ran it in. So it's perfectly safe for you to just be able to walk away, but it's really important for us to make sure that our users stay in control when you're actually running this on your own computer.
That's great. It sounds like while we're talking, it's changing all the Tailwind CSS and making the changes we want.
Yeah, so one of the nice things is that while I got this high-level overview in one step, I can also have it go in and make very specific changes without actually having the context of where it's making those changes. So I think the nice part is that you as a developer can actually use this to both understand the code and actually make edits to it pretty seamlessly. Now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and open up the OpenAI.fm. I can open it up locally, and boom, we can see it in dark mode.
That's amazing.
That's one example where it's an existing code base, but
yeah,
maybe try something new.
Well, now that we've gotten familiar with Codex, with this one example, I thought, why don't we create something a bit more fun from scratch this time? A little bit like vibe coding, complete app from nothing.
Sure.
Is there one that you like in particular on macOS, for instance?
Okay, yeah. When I was a kid, I used to go to the Apple Store and play with Photo Booth. I don't know how often we used to do this, but so yeah, let's actually pull out maybe one of the filters in Photo Booth. Okay, yeah. How about this page of filters?
Yeah. So are you able to like screenshot the app and just tell Codex that you want it like put on the web?
Exactly. So I'm just gonna grab a screenshot of Photo Booth and I'm just gonna pass it in. This time I'm gonna put it in full auto mode. And it is the first reason about the image. It's going to understand what it's even looking at. Okay, great. It understands that it's a screenshot of macOS.
That's fascinating, yeah.
And now I'm going to tell it, re-implement this in a single page HTML. And maybe I want to say, use the web camera API and make sure it's in landscape mode. And so now it'll just go off and give them that context about the screenshot of what I wanted. This could be a screenshot of photo booth. It could be a screenshot of Figma design. It could be a lot of different things. I've used it in different contexts where I've drawn very low fidelity mockups, and then just kind of give in Codex, here's this context that I want, and then go off and make the changes. I don't have to give it any additional context, any additional direction. It'll just go off, think for a while. You can see its chain of thought reasoning as it's thinking through the problem, both what commands it's running and also what its thoughts are. And now finally here we see the page. Now if I go ahead and open that page in my browser, I can go ahead and see that it created this photo booth. And boom, we have...
Oh my God.
Look how cool that is.
It's exactly the same.
Isn't that amazing? That's so cool.
And I'm sure you could have prompted your way to get such a result, but just like one screenshot and the model understood exactly what you wanted to build.
We didn't even have to open a code editor this entire time. It was just all on our terminal. And sometimes I'll kick off multiple of these in parallel and just let them, one explaining the code base to me, one making some changes. And it's just pretty magical to see it all come together.
That's amazing. So it was just a quick look at some of the features that we have in Codex. We've seen how it can read and edit files directly. It can run commands very securely, and you have different knobs in order to pick the mode that you're the most comfortable with. But my personal favorite feature is really that one, like the multimodal reasoning. That's really the true magic of those reasoning models. You just feed it a piece of paper on a sketch or something, and boom, you have code being written for you. Do you want to share anything about one more thing about
Yeah,
Codex?
there's always one more thing. We're really excited to actually share Codex with you. Fully open source. You can go to our GitHub. You can see the Codex repo. You can explore it. You can actually use Codex to understand more about the repo. And we're super excited to hear what you think.
Yeah, and Codex works with GPT-4.1 launched on Monday and with O3 and O4 Mini launching today. So we really can't wait to see what you build. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Cool.
News number 4: XAI's Grok Studio. Real-time collaboration and integrated tools take center stage. Get ready for some exciting news out of XAI. They've just rolled out a significant update, introducing Grok Studio along with some seriously innovative features that set it apart. What makes this release unique is the focus on real-time collaborative content creation within Grok itself. With Grok Studio, you get a split-screen canvas, allowing you and Grok to work together on building documents, code, even apps, and browser games simultaneously. This isn't just about Grok generating something and handing it off. It's about a dynamic partnership in the creative process. Another standout feature is integrated code execution. If you ask Grok to whip up some code, you can now preview exactly how it runs in a dedicated tab, supporting a range of languages like Python, C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, and even Bash scripts. This immediate feedback loop for code generation is a game-changer for developers. Finally, Grok is now offering seamless Google Drive support. This means you can directly attach your documents, spreadsheets, and slides from Google Drive, enabling Grok to work with your existing files. The ability to integrate external data so easily expands Grok's capabilities significantly. This update isn't just adding features, it's fundamentally changing how you can interact with and build alongside Grok, making it a more collaborative and practical tool for a wider range of tasks. These new functionalities are available for both free and premium Grok users. News number 5: ByteDance Seaweed 7B, a lean but mighty video generation model arrives. Get ready to hear about something truly innovative in the world of video generation. ByteDance has just unveiled Seaweed 7B, and what makes this news so unique is that it's a video generation model with only 7 billion parameters, yet it reportedly beats larger rival models. This isn't just a minor achievement. Seaweed 7B stands out because it's significantly less computationally intensive to train while achieving comparable quality to other industry-level models. The team has highlighted key designs that drastically improve compute efficiency and performance given limited resources. But the capabilities don't stop there. Despite its lean size, Seaweed 7B is designed to power a wide array of downstream applications, including image-to-video generation, human video generation, subject-consistent video generation, video-audio joint generation, long video generation and storytelling, real-time generation, super-resolution generation, and even camera-controlled generation. This ability to enable so many diverse applications with such a small model is what truly sets Seaweed 7B apart, showcasing a cost-effective yet powerful foundation for future video generation technologies. For those wanting to dive deeper into the technical details, you can check out their webpage and tech report linked in the announcement. News number 6, Anthropic's Claude gains autonomous research and Google Workspace integration. Hey friends, buckle up because Anthropic just dropped a significant update for Claude, giving it some serious new superpowers. What makes this news unique is the introduction of research, a new way of working with Claude that allows it to autonomously explore multiple angles of your questions by conducting searches and delivering cited answers in minutes. This isn't just about answering questions. It's about Claude taking initiative, planning multi-step queries, and bringing together information from both your work and the web. This represents a fundamental shift towards Claude being a more proactive and insightful collaborator. On top of this, Claude is now deeply integrated with Google Workspace, meaning it can directly connect with your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Docs. This allows Claude to understand your context and pull information from exactly where you need it, making it incredibly useful for daily work. Imagine asking Claude to reflect on your calendar or get insights from your documents. This level of integration and autonomous research capability is what truly sets this update apart. This is just the beginning, with plans to expand content sources and research depth even further. For those on Max, Team, and Enterprise plans in the US, Japan, and Brazil, research is available in beta, while the Google Workspace integration is now available for all paid plans. News number 7, Meta fares perception revolution and collaborative AI push. Get ready for some cutting-edge AI news from Meta Fair. They've just dropped a suite of research breakthroughs, and what makes this update unique is their dual focus on revolutionizing AI perception and fostering genuine AI collaboration. First up is the Meta Perception Encoder, a vision model that uniquely excels across both image and video tasks, even outperforming existing models in challenging scenarios like identifying camouflaged objects. Its strong visual abilities also significantly boost performance in language-based tasks. Then there's the Meta Perception Language Model, a fully open and reproducible vision language model trained on a massive dataset, including their own human-labeled video QA samples, making it uniquely transparent for research. For those interested in AI in the real world, Meta Locate 3D stands out as an end-to-end model that directly understands 3D point clouds and natural language to accurately localize objects, even considering spatial relationships. Think robots understanding the red cup on the table. In the realm of language models, the dynamic byte latent transformer is unique as an 8B parameter model that operates on bytes instead of tokens, achieving comparable performance to traditional models with enhanced efficiency and robustness. Finally, the Collaborative Reasoner framework is uniquely designed to evaluate and improve how well AI agents can collaborate to solve problems through multi-turn conversations, even when they initially disagree, a crucial step towards truly social AI agents. This combined effort across perception and collaboration is what makes this Meta Fair update particularly noteworthy. Let's see the demo video share by Meta AI team.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share some of the latest research coming from our fundamental AI research team at Meta.
These releases highlight our commitment to innovation, creativity, and responsibility as we strive towards advanced machine intelligence.
First, there is the Meta Perception Encoder. It's a vision encoder that outperforms existing models on image and video classification and retrieval tasks. It's an important advance in terms of connecting visual understanding with language capabilities.
Second, Perception Language Model. Built on the largest human-annotated video language dataset to date, it significantly improves video understanding and spatial-temporal reasoning, which is critical for systems that need to interpret dynamic visual information.
We also have the Meta Locate 3D that enables precise object localization in 3D spaces. That one has a lot of good use cases for robotics as well as AR systems.
We're releasing the Meta Dynamic Byte Latent Transformer, which is a more efficient and robust alternative to traditional tokenization methods for language model. It enhances performance across multiple tasks.
Something that's a little bit future-looking, we're introducing the Collaborative Reasoner. It's a framework that generates high-quality synthetic data with a goal of improving social reasoning and eventually to enable better human-AI collaboration.
By making this research openly available, we're fostering a collaborative ecosystem that accelerates progress. I encourage you to read our full blog post for details. As I always say, science progresses faster through openness and collaboration. And that's how we'll solve the biggest scientific questions of our time, particularly about machine intelligence.
And beyond that, we really look forward to seeing what all of you are going to build with these new results. Thank you for partnering with us to push the boundaries in AI innovation.
News number 8, Midjourney AI Update. Refreshed editor with layers and smart selection. Midjourney fans, get ready because Midjourney has just rolled out a significant update to their image editor. And what makes this news really stand out is the introduction of some powerful new tools directly within their platform. They've given the editor a refreshed user interface, which likely means a smoother and more intuitive experience for tweaking your AI-generated masterpieces. But the real game-changers are the addition of layers and a smart selection tool. The introduction of layers allows for more complex and non-destructive editing workflows, a feature often found in dedicated image editing software, now directly integrated into Midjourney. Furthermore, a smart selection tool will enable users to isolate and modify specific parts of their images with greater precision, something that was likely more cumbersome before. Finally, and importantly for all users, this updated editor is now accessible to all membership tiers. This means regardless of your subscription level, you can now take advantage of these enhanced editing capabilities, making it a truly unique step towards offering comprehensive image creation and manipulation tools within the Midjourney ecosystem. News number 9, new short course. Building AI browser agents automate the web with AI. Hey everyone, exciting news in the world of AI learning. DeepLearning.AI has just launched a brand new short course called Building AI Browser Agents. And what makes this course truly unique is its specific focus on equipping you with the skills to build AI agents that can actually interact with and take actions on websites, just like a human user. Forget general AI concepts. This course dives deep into creating agents that can log into websites, fill out forms, click through pages, and even place online orders. What sets these agents apart is their ability to reason using both visual information, like screenshots, and the underlying structural data of a web page, such as HTML and the DOM. You'll learn about the challenges of navigating the complex web and, crucially, you'll explore Agent Q, a novel framework that empowers these agents to self-correct their mistakes using techniques like Monte Carlo tree search, self-critique, and direct preference optimization. Taught by the co-founders of AGI Inc., the company behind this technology, this course offers a unique opportunity to gain hands-on experience building your own web navigating AI agents and understanding how to make them more reliable. You'll even get insights into the current limitations and future potential of this cutting-edge field. This isn't just theoretical knowledge. It's about building practical tools to automate tasks online. Let's see the demo video share by Andrew Ng.
I'm thrilled to introduce Building AI Browser Agents taught by Divgag and Nomagad, who are co-founders of AGI Inc. and creators of the Agent Q Web Agent Framework. In this course, you learn how to build AI agents that interact with web pages, make decisions, and take actions. These agents can log into websites, fill out forms, and even place online orders automatically. With the complexity of web pages and tens of possible actions at each step, completing the tasks assigned to an AI browser agent can be very challenging. The agent can get stuck because, for example, the web page style has changed or a pop-up has interfered. Because these agents run long action sequences, a single misread field can lead to unexpected outcomes like booking the wrong flight or buying the wrong product. In this course, you learn about all of these challenges and explore some of the solutions to these problems.
To address these challenges, we have introduced Agent Q. Agent Q combines Monte Carlo tree search, or MCTS, with a self-critique mechanism coupled with direct preference optimization, or DPO step. During the search, Agent Q explores multiple action paths, gathers AI feedback during those paths, then fine-tunes the underlying model so it consistently picks better actions in the future steps.
In this course, you will build several web agents. First, you build a simple agent that lists courses on DeepLearning.AI on a specific topic like RAG, and will explore limitations of this simple agent. You will then build a more advanced agent that clicks on each course, summarizes them, and can even sign up for the batch newsletter. You will then dive into MCTS, exploring how it finds the optimal path in different grid world problems. Finally, you will navigate real websites using Agent Q and will visualize and analyze different paths that are explored to reach the final goal.
Building AI agents that interact and take action on websites can be a lot of fun, and this is an important technology for our field. So, I hope you enjoy the course.
News number 10, Windsurf AI Update. free unlimited GPT 4.1 access for 7 days. A super exciting and time-sensitive update just dropped. Windsurf AI is offering free, unlimited access to GPT 4.1 for the next 7 days. Now, what makes this truly unique is the fact that you can dive into using a cutting-edge model like GPT 4.1 without any cost or credit restrictions for a whole week. Windsurf AI mentioned they're really excited about GPT 4.1 based on their own internal evaluations. They do have rate limits in place to prevent abuse, but the key takeaway is you can go ahead and build and experiment with GPT 4.1 to your heart's content during this period without worrying about those credits running out. So, if you've been curious to see what the latest and greatest in language models can do, now is the perfect time to head over to Windsurf and give GPT 4.1 a spin completely free for the next 7 days. Let's see the video share by Windsurf AI team. And that wraps up the top AI news for this week. Which update are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI news and updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next AI News Roundup.
GPT-4.1, OpenAI's latest and greatest model, is now available in Cascade on the Windsurf platform. But that's not the exciting news. For the next 7 days, we are making unlimited GPT-4.1 free for all users, independent of plan. That's right, you won't need to spend any of your credits to use GPT-4.1. Our internal evals for the model have looked quite promising, so we're excited to give everyone the ability to code with AI without having to worry about cost or credits, for at least the next week. Of course, there are some rate limits to prevent abuse, but really, truly free. So, do you have a project you wanted to build or work you've been pushing off? Well, this week might just be the right week to use OpenAI's GPT-4.1 on Windsurf.
You gonna show us how it works?
I don't know. Now I feel really awkward about this. Now I regret everything. Maybe scratch that whole idea.